Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you whenever you are turning on, if you get this error like your PC run into the problem and needs to restart, well restart for you and stop code unexpected kernel mode trap. If you get this error, I give some steps you will try to if this problem fix it. And in these steps, one by one follow to this problem fix it. Let's look at the steps. If it is stuck on that display, long press the power button 2 minutes. After that, restart your system again. Restart your system. Then it is go to inside. After that, you use this commands one by one follow to this problem fix it. That first step command promote. So you go to the Windows search bar and type cmd. Right click on the command promote and choose the run as administrator. Then command promote inside and type sfc. Give the space slash scan now. It is most important step, so it is try to. After that, you go to try next step. Okay, then we can go to try next step. Next command, type check disk. Use the space slash r. Repair, r means repair, so give the space c colon. Hit the enter. After that, confirmation yes, so type y, then hit the enter. After that, restart your system. Then you can go to try next step, disable core isolation. So go to the Windows search bar and type Windows security. We can click to open. Then we can go to the device security. Then click on the core isolation. After that, here memory integer, turn it off. If you turn it on, simply turn it off. After that, come to back. And then we can go to try next step, run Windows memory diagnostic. So go to the Windows search bar and type Windows memory diagnostic. Then just click on the restart now and check for problems recommended. Just click on it. After that, you are just on restart. Then in this error, after that you cannot get. And if you have any doubt, please go to the comment section and comment. I will definitely reply to you. And don't forget like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.